वैसे ही जैसे माता पिता बच्चों का पालन प्रेम से करते हैं बिना किसी उपेक्षा के। With this wonderful note, I would like to welcome our respected principal ma'am, director sir, special guests, teachers and proud parents to the most awaited day of the year, our annual day and graduation ceremony. I am honored to be your host for this wonderful morning. Annual event is a display of talent, joy that takes over the year to celebrate the spirit of knowledge, wisdom and creativity. We humbly acknowledge that nothing is possible without the blessings of the Almighty. We invoke His divine presence and seek His guidance, understanding the significance of Deep Shikha. A symbol of light, prosperity is Deep, meaning lamp or light, and Shikha, meaning flame or crown. Lighting the Deep Shikha dispels darkness and brings hope. It is just a tradition but a scientifically backed. Mr. and Mrs. Vijay Singh Rawat, Director Sir Vikram Kaul and Principal Ma'am Mrs. Monica Kaul to light the Deep Shikha and marking the auspicious beginning of our function today. I request everyone to please stand for this beginning. To Goddess of Knowledge, Ma Saraswati. We will now have a dance performance prepared by our little girls. Let's invoke her blessings as we celebrate our achievements and strive for excellence.
Ah, 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 ah.
tribute to Ma Saraswati. A true leader inspires with actions, leads with wisdom, and nurtures with care. We are truly blessed to be under the leadership of such a remarkable person, someone who leads by example and encourages us to aim higher and higher. Now, with great pride and respect, I would like to invite our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Monica Call, to address the gathering and present the annual report for the year.
I hope you enjoyed this morning to the fullest. The children have worked really hard, and I'm sure you will really be amazed at how they will perform today. Their parents, teachers, special guest, Mr. Vijay Singh Rawat, and my dear children. A very warm welcome to all of you. I take immense pleasure in welcoming you all to the Fledgling Global's annual day and graduation ceremony. Today is not just a celebration of performances. It is a celebration of growth, courage, learning, and childhood itself. Every child is unique, and as someone beautifully said, every child is a different kind of flower, and together they make this world a beautiful garden. For our little ones, standing on the stage today is a very big milestone. To reach here, they have not only learned a few dance steps or dialogues, but they have also learned how to coordinate with their friends, participate socially, and develop a sense of belonging. Most importantly, they have learned a very important life skill, the confidence to stand in front of people and express themselves. I feel extremely proud presenting these children to you today. While preparing them for this event, we realized something very special. Working with children teaches us as much as we try to teach them. Children teach us patience, understanding, and the joy of togetherness. As it is rightly said, children do not learn values from what we say. They learn from them from what we live. These children are also a part of the school family. Being part of a school gives them a sense of belonging to a place beyond their homes. The school becomes an extension of their world where they feel safe, nurtured, and encouraged to grow. Our hope is that the memories and learning from this place stay with them as a beautiful part of their childhood, a place where they were loved and where learning happened in a joyful and happy way. Last year was a significant year for us. We shifted to a new location with a little apprehension, but today we can confidently say that we have continued to grow even bigger and better. This year is also special for us as it marks a decade of the Fledgling Global journey in early childhood education. Over the past 10 years, we have had the privilege of nurturing hundreds of little learners and walking alongside them in their very steps of learning and discovery. What started as a small dream has grown into a beautiful community of children, parents, and educators who believe in love, learning, and strong values. A good school is not just a place of learning, it is a place where a child discovers who they are. At the Fledglings Global, we have always believed in a holistic approach to education because early years education is not optional, it is transformational. Over the past year, we have also witnessed some very encouraging achievements at the Fledglings Global. Many of our children successfully secured admissions in well-known formal schools such as St. Joseph's, Convent of Jesus and Mary, Brightlands, Oasis, Hillgrange, to name a few. We believe that this success reflects the strong foundation and holistic learning environment that we provide to our children. Throughout the year, we ensured that learning went beyond the classroom. Our children were taken for various field trips to places like a nursery, a supermarket, Gurudwara, etc., where they could connect their book learning with real life experiences. Along with academics, we organize many activities that support the development of children in all domains. One of the highlights was our sports week, a week-long sportathon where each day was dedicated to a different sport, culminating in a grand sports day celebration. To further enhance the children's confidence and exposure to public speaking, we organize activities such as show and tell, recitation, and dancing competitions, along with many other creative classroom activities that encourage them to express themselves freely. All major festivals and important days are celebrated with great enthusiasm throughout the year. To engage more closely with parents, we also organized workshops on parenting tips and special celebrations such as Mother's Day and Grandparents' Day, which have now become some of our most cherished events. We also conducted summer and winter camps, giving children wonderful opportunities to explore, learn, and enjoy new experiences in a fun environment. In addition, our daycare facility continues to support many parents by providing a safe, nurturing, and engaging space for their children even after school hours. We are also happy to share that we have recently introduced abacus and spoken English classes for senior children, helping them further strengthen their confidence and foundational skills. These achievements remind us that when children are nurtured with care, encouragement, and the right opportunities, they truly blossom. Today's theme reflects this very belief. Our presentation, Prerna, Bal Krishna, Pyar Sanskar or Seek, is a small effort to highlight the importance of positive parenting and strong values in childhood. The childhood of Krishna reminds us that curiosity, joy, and courage are the true essence of childhood. Through his playful nature, his confidence, and his wisdom, Bal Krishna continues to inspire us even today. Through this presentation, we have tried to bring some of these beautiful lessons to life. Our children are very small, yet they constantly amaze us. When you work closely with them, you realize how capable and enthusiastic they are. The children have worked very hard for today's event, and our teachers and didis have worked even harder to guide them. I sincerely hope that you will see their dedication reflected in every performance. Before we begin, I would like to thank everyone who contributed to making this event possible. Our teachers, staff members, parents, director sir, and everyone who supported us in this journey. And I would like to end with a thought that truly reflects what we believe in. Knowledge makes a child intelligent, but values make a child truly wise. So let us now begin this beautiful journey in the life of Bal Krishna and discover together the love, values, and lessons that his childhood continues to inspire us. Thank you and enjoy your performance.
Name associated with mischief, playfulness, and a spirit of adventure. Yet it also embodies confidence, humility, and compassion. He demonstrates compassion and humility towards everyone. Krishna was inquisitive, fearless, and always endeavored to assist those in need. He was a true leader who imparted positive lessons, teaching the essence of humanity. As a human exemplar, he showed equal concern for all living beings and constantly followed and taught a righteous path. His deeds continue to inspire peaceful and righteous society. Krishna's stories serve a valuable resource for parents and educators in practicing positive parenting. It illustrates how to nurture children to become confident, generous, and dignified individuals. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are thrilled to present Prerna, a captivating performance inspired by timeless stories of Lord Krishna. These stories offer valuable lessons for positive parenting and help shape the values of our children. Let's cheer on our little ones as they bring them these inspiring tales to life. Please give a warm welcome to our young performers as they embody the spirit of Krishna.
आज हम भगवान श्री कृष्ण के बचपन की कुछ प्यारी झलकियां प्रस्तुत करेंगे। इन झलकियों से हम सीखेंगे कि बच्चों को प्यार, धैर्य और सही मार्गदर्शन से कैसे बड़ा किया जाए।
आज गोकुल में खुशी का माहौल है। नंद बाबा के घर एक प्यारे से बालक का जन्म हुआ है। नंद बाबा और यशोदा माँ बहुत खुश है। आइए इस खुशी में हम भी शामिल होते हैं। हाथी घोड़ा पाल के जय कन्हैया लाल की, हाथी घोड़ा पाल के जय कन्हैया लाल की। नंद के घर आनंद भयो जन्मे नंद लाल, सब गाय मिलकर खुश होकर गोकुल में खुशहाल। हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की, हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की। माखन चूड़ा मटकी फोड़े सबको हंसाए कान्हा, राधा संग खेले मुरली बजाए सबको भाए कान्हा। हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की, हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की। प्रेम का संदेश फैलाए सबको अपनाने, कन्हैया जैसे हम भी बने प्यार सभी को दे। हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की, जय कन्हैया लाल की, जय कन्हैया लाल की। जय कन्हैया लाल की, जय कन्हैया लाल की। हाथी घोड़ा पाल की। बहुत ही जिज्ञासु बालक थे और बहुत ही प्रश्न पूछते थे। तो आइए देखते हैं मैया यशोदा उनके प्रश्नों का कैसे उत्तर देती थी। मैया, ये आकाश इतना विशाल क्यों है? ताकि हम इसके नीचे रह सके इसलिए इतना विशाल है मैं लाल। मैया, ये माखन इतना स्वादिष्ट क्यों है और मैं हर चीज को क्यों नहीं छू सकता? कान्हा, तुम जितना सवाल पूछोगे उतना ही सीखोगे। तुम जितने चाहे सवाल पूछो मैं उसका उत्तर देने का कोशिश करूंगी। यशोमती मैया से बोली नंद लाला, यशोमती मैया से बोली नंद लाला। राधा क्यों बोली मैं क्यों काला, कृष्ण को सवाल पूछने से नहीं रोका, उन्होंने उन्हें प्यार से समझाया। हमें बच्चों के सारे सवाल सुनने चाहिए। जब बच्चे सवाल पूछते हैं तभी वो कुछ सीखते हैं। भैया, मुझसे गलती हो गई, मैंने जानबूझ के नहीं तोड़ा। कोई बात नहीं कान्हा, गलती तो सबसे होती है, पर हमको अपनी गलती से कुछ सीखना चाहिए। चलो हम दोनों इसे मिलकर साफ करते हैं।
कान्हा जी मुरली बजाए, छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी सबको नचाए। राधा संग हंसते, ग्वाल संग खेले, छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी दिल में बसे। छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी मुरली बजाए, छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी सबको नचाए। राधा संग हंसते, ग्वाल संग खेले, छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी दिल में बसेला। छोटी छोटी गैया चलती मैदान, छोटे छोटे ग्वाल संग कान्हा श्याम। मुरली की तान मीठी मीठा, नाचे वृंदावन गली गली पाओ। छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी मुरली बजाए, छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी सबको नचाए। राधा संग हंसते, ग्वाल संग खेले, छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी दिल में बसेला। माखन चुराए, हंस हंस खाए, भैया बोले कान्हा ओ भाग जाए। पायल छन छन मोर तन सजे, कान्हा जी देखो कितने प्यारे लगे। छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी मुरली बजाए, छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी सबको नचाए। राधा संग हंसते, ग्वाल संग खेले, छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी दिल में बसे। छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी मुरली बजाए, छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी सबको नचाए। बोलो कान्हा जी जय जयकार, बच्चों के मन में बसे हर बार। छोटे छोटे कान्हा जी प्यारे से श्याम, सब बच्चे बोले राधे राधे श्याम।
जब हम बच्चों को प्यार से समझाते हैं तो वे अपनी जिम्मेदारियां खुद समझने लग जाते हैं। अरे मैं गिर गया, मुझे चोट लग गई है। घबराओ मत, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ। चलो मैं तुमको अपने घर लेकर चलता हूँ।
नाचे कृष्णा छम छम, माखन चोर नन्हा सा, सबका प्यारा श्याम श्याम। धुड़ी धुड़ी दम दम, हंसते गाते हम कान्हा संग में खेले सब, खुशियों से भर जाए मन। नन्हे पाँव में घुंघरू बाजे, मुरली मीठी तान सुनाए। बाल बाल संग कान्हा आया, हाथ पकड़ के नाच सिखाए। ताली बजाए, ठुमका लगाए, राधा रानी भी मुस्काए। गाँव गली में धूम मची है, कृष्ण कन्हैया सबको भाए। दुड़ी दुड़ी दम दम, नाचे कृष्णा छम छम, बच्चों के संग हंसता गाता, प्यारा प्यारा हरदम हरदम। कभी कूदे कभी वो भागे, कभी छुपन छुपाई खेले। मोर पंख सिर पे लहराए, नटखट बातें रोज वो बोले। लड्डू माखन मिश्री खाए, दोस्तों को भी सब खिलाए। हंसी खुशी में दिन जो बीते, हर बच्चा मुस्कान पाए। दूड़ी दूड़ी दम दम, नाचे बच्चे हम कान्हा संग में खेले, मिलकर झूमे धरती झूमे। अंदर यमुना जी के तट रोज मनाए जुड़ी जुड़ी दम दम गाना मेरा दोस्त बनम हंसना गाना मिलके रहना यही सिखाए हर एक जन माँ की गोद में नींद जो आए कृष्णा धीरे गीत सुनाए तारे चंदा सपनों में आकर प्यारी प्यारी बातें बताए जुड़ी जुड़ी दम दम नींद लगाए हमदम कान्हा बोले प्यारे से कल के मिलेंगे हम
कृष्ण जी बहुत खुश मिजाज थे पर वो दयालु भी थे। जब बच्चे एक साथ खेलते हैं तो एक दूसरे की मदद करना सीखते हैं। मैया हम तो बस देख रहे थे ये अच्छा है या नहीं। बेटा जो चीज़ हमारी नहीं है उसे बिना पूछे नहीं लेते, ये मेरी बात हमेशा याद रखना। जी मैया।
मैया मैं तेरा शरारती कान्हा माखन चुराया पर प्यार से खाया थोड़ा मैंने थोड़ा सबने हंसते हंसते बांट लिया मैया यशोदा तू क्यों रोई तेरे बिना तो सांस भी खोई तेरे आंचल शांति पाऊं माँ झूले झूलू नाम मैं तेरा गाऊं माँ 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 गोपी बोली कान्हा तो चोर है मैया हंसी मेरा नटखट सा कोई नार है तेरी डांट भी लगती प्यारी तेरी गोद है वृंदावन माँ मेरी मटकी टूटी मन भी टूटा तेरी हंसी का स्वर ना रूठा देख ले माँ ये भोला चेहरा माखन सा मीठा निश्चल सवेरा मैया मैं तेरा शरारती कान्हा माखन चुराया पर प्यार से खाया थोड़ा मैंने थोड़ा सबने हंसते हंसते बांट लिया मैया यशोदा तू क्यों रोई तेरे बिना तो सांस भी खोई तेरे आंचल शांति पाऊं माँ झूले झूलू नाम मैं तेरा गाऊं माँ 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 गोपी बोली कान्हा तो चोर है मैया हंसी मेरा नटखट सा कोई नार है तेरी डांट भी लगती प्यारी तेरी गोद है वृंदावन माँ मेरी मटकी टूटी मन भी टूटा तेरी हंसी का स्वर ना रूठा देख ले माँ ये भोला चेहरा माखन सा मीठा निश्चल सवेरा माखन चुराया पर सबने मिलकर खाया माँ मैया यशोदा मैं तेरा ही बंसी वाला ना माँ 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 माँ
गया अनुशासन बच्चों को अच्छे संस्कार देता है, डर नहीं। मित्र तुम उदास क्यों हो? मेरे पास अच्छे खिलौने नहीं है, मेरे पास मिठाई भी नहीं है। तुम दुखी मत हो, जो मेरा है वो तुम्हारा भी है, हम सब मिल के बांटेंगे।
अरे गोकुल की गली
वही होता है जो सुख दुख में साथ दे। मित्रता में अमीरी गरीबी नहीं देखी जाती, मित्रता में अपनापन और प्यार देखा जाता है। हमें अपने दोस्तों के साथ सब बांटना चाहिए और किसी के साथ भेदभाव नहीं करना चाहिए। के जीवन से यह सीख मिलती है कि जब बच्चों को प्यार और समझ मिलती है तो वह अच्छे और आत्मविश्वासी बनते हैं। हर बच्चा अलग होता है, हर बच्चा सवाल पूछता है, हर बच्चा गलतियां भी करता है, पर अगर हम उनको सही मार्गदर्शन दे तो वो एक अच्छा इंसान बन सकता है। हमें बच्चों को सिर्फ अनुशासन नहीं बल्कि खुशी भी देनी चाहिए। धैर्य, संस्कार और सही मार्गदर्शन यही एक अच्छी परवरिश की नींव है। बाल कृष्ण से जीवन से प्रेरणा लेने का जो प्रयास हमने किया है, हम आशा करते हैं कि आपको पसंद आया होगा। आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Have truly mesmerized, leaving us with valuable lessons on parenting and plenty to think about. Let's show our appreciation for their hard work and teamwork with a big round of applause. And I think this performance calls for a standing ovation. So I request everyone to stand for our little ones who have done their hard work. Let's in their educational journey as the name of the class suggests, fledgling, they are ready to spread their wings in the open sky as the wings are strong due to the stronger foundation. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause as they make their way to the stage.
Waiting class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3.
not getting a graduation certificate, so she is getting pirouette. And he is doing an excellent job.
On into the future and make sure that we, the students,
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure to host you today at this ceremony. Respected Shri our respected guests, parents, teachers, and our dear kids. So as we come close to this annual day celebration, my heart is filled with joy and it's filled with pride. Pride because I can see these little ones facing all of you really very confidently. It's all the hard work that these teachers have put in day out for close to 2 months now. So I really appreciate, and let's have a round of applause for all the teachers. While we try to teach, our kids a lot in the school, but at the background, you are the workforce, our parents, mothers, fathers, grandparents. So you teach them the lessons of life. So let's have a round of applause for yourself, please. I would like to have a special mention of our special guest, Mr. Rawat. He's been a great mentor to us. We shifted to this place last year, and he's been all but very supportive and have been guiding us, through the difficult times and giving us real good advices from his experience. I would like to have a special round of applause for Mr. Rawat. For the sector of education, right? The challenges that we used to have in my time were really very different, right? In our times, the thing was, why are you going outside? Why are you playing in dirt? Why do you have such weird friends? But I think these days, the challenge for our parents are totally different. We are trying to save them from the blast of information that our kids have through the social media, through the phones, television, and through the social circle that we have. The kind of pressure on these kids is enormous, and the parenting as such is changing a lot. And we as educators are trying to navigate this difficult path along with our kids. At this time, I would like to have a special thanks, and I would like to mention our principal ma'am, who's been an educator for last 10 years and has been navigating these, these times with us. She's the guiding light on how we should, nurture these kids and make sure that they remain confident, they are nurtured, they are groomed in the way they should be able to face the coming world, in the time to come. So let's have a round of applause for Mrs. Monica Paul. Let's not forget the staff that that's at the works in the behind the scene, basically, doing all the small things which make a big difference. Small things add up and they become a building block for the big buildings or big big things. So let's have a round of applause for our Didis, our Malivia, and our support staff. So with that, I would like to thank all of you once again. Thanks for coming and thanks for encouraging us, and we'll keep working for the betterment of our kids. Thank you.
guiding us always. Thank you. Well, this has been certainly a memorable day, from inspiring speeches to mesmerizing performances. We witnessed talent, dedication, the spirit of our school shining bright. And what could be better than all of them coming together on the stage for a final bow? It really would be a spectacular scene to see the makers of today's evening all in one frame. Please give a big round of applause for our students who have put in their hard work and patience to pull off this annual function. Let's keep the applause going on as our little star come and take over the stage. They have truly done wonders today. What a magnificent way to end this day. Here in front are the ones who made all this possible. Let's give them a big round of applause. I would like to add on that today's wonderful script was conceived and visualized by our respective principal ma'am. I think that there should be a round of applause for her. So this script was actually, written and written by Miss Monica Call. So let's clap for her. And let's not. I would like to thank Ragya Call, who's behind all this technically nitty-gritty. She's there. Please let's clap for her. She's behind the screen, but all the events, she's done it very beautiful. So I wish everyone good health and happiness. We'll be announcing the names of the class once they are ready to be collected from the back door. Kindly be patient and wait for the announcement. In the meantime, we are waiting for the kids to come. I would request any parent to come on this podium and can speak on what he has experienced today on our annual day. anybody can come on the stage and speak, give us a feedback. So it will be appreciated. Please come. So please clap for ma'am.
And it's really a joyous occasion to see our kids learn so much, grow so much, and doing such a wonderful performances and doing their best. It's really a big joy for us to watch our kids learn so many things in such a good environment. I especially thank the teachers, support staff, DDs, everyone, the principal ma'am and everyone, and the kids as well, because kids learn from each other and they teach us a lot as well. So I really appreciate the effort everyone is putting in helping our children grow and learn. Thank you.
To come and share his experience. I think we should, the parents should come when we expect the kids to be fearless and come to the stage and speak. So let's clap for Karan Moga, everyone.
Hello everybody. I would like to convey my deep appreciation to the school principal man, all the support staff, and since I'm seeing the director for the first time, to the director and his vision for this school. Well, this is my second function I'm attending. First was when there was a grandparents' day, and that was my first function as a grandparent. Today is the second function on the school side, and I'm very, very happy because I've got twin granddaughters, Priyanshi and Priyangi Bahuguna. When they came to the school, the aim was just they should go to school and come back. They should not sleep, they should go and pick up their bag. But over a period of time, just about 7-8 months, they have learnt a lot. So that way, I can see the efforts put in by the principal ma'am, and Kina ma'am, and all the teachers to make the children grow. And I'm seeing them grow. They were nothing when they came to the school. And now they can recite poems, they can do so many things. Well, I sincerely thank the school for helping me in bringing up my granddaughters. And this is their first school. They will remember it throughout their life. I'll remember it. And so the other parents also. Thank you so much.